Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and in today's video I am doing for you my October setup. Just some of it, a little bit of drawing in there as well. This is one of the spiral notebooks with my artwork on it that we offer in our store, and I use this so wholeheartedly for brain dumping, and I got it fresh for the season. But I just wanted to show you my little sidekick, and that's my spiral. I just do a lot of brain dumping in there first before I intentionally write in my planner. I've got it all set up with the cute little Etsy thing I found. That's a paper clip, and then my journal is for another day to show. And I'm still a little uncertain about it, so of how I want to use it. So this was from this month's box. The cute girl and the pumpkin with floral. So, and I used Harper A5. That's what I'm working in with my charms on there and everything. So it's totally decked out. So here's some of my tip-ins, the cute little boo in the front there. And I had already started writing in it, but I definitely have not embellished. So I'm going to put some cute little stickers and washi tape on. And then in case you missed my YouTube video, I will go ahead and link you. This is what's coming in December. This is Planner Perfect's beautiful pencil and marker bag, as well as holds all of your accessories. Check it out. Check out my washi. Has a little pocket that holds anything and everything. Here's one of my pocket size journals in there. Some tip-ins, some of my favorite pens. This is a really cute whiteout I found. In love. So, and then of course I even have a couple of my charms. Here's one of them. This is sweater weather. And yeah, the pieces of my artwork that are on charms. So love it. That's also in our store. I will link you down below. There's 2 washi straps, so there's another one back there too. Can't wait to get these into your hands because they're amazing. So, and that's of course my little daisy on the front of that too. It's my watercolor artwork in the front. So let's go ahead and get started. These are my stickers also that was in the box. I decided to do more of a Halloween theme this year, and I'm so happy I did because my kids have always trick-or-treated, and it's just something that I've always wanted so to put on, and I did this year, and I hope that you girls loved it. So, of course, circling Halloween, I still have, my youngest is 10, and then my grandsons also go with us, so it should be really fun. And so I really want to plan out our party as well. Trying to find my little place for my spider there, and just really inspiring yourself in your planner is what I'm doing. Okay, so I really am liking my calendar there. It's looking pretty good. Now, these are the goals. There was 2 goal pages in October because of the nature of how the month's laid out. And I'm going to show you how I added to my goals to make them happen. Now, these are monthly goals. I'll talk more about how I set further goals in a little bit. I'll do another YouTube video on that. I think you'll really benefit from it and love it a lot, and how I process and get everything I like to do done beyond just each month. So I will show you that in another video. So that was Oliver. We have a new puppy and we're madly in love. And that is his little schedule. So I'm going to show you how I tape that in as an extra goal because definitely he needs a puppy schedule. So, and I did it with Molly, our golden, this is a golden doodle that we have now. And so I feel pretty confident. So I got him all loving his crate and he does so good. So definitely need to get him trained. So now what I'm doing though for Halloween, I want to set some goals of, intentions for that day. We want to have a big fun day. My grandkids will be here. Of course, my youngest is 10. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm drawing the Ghostbusters guy logo. I love drawing this. I think I drew it last year, but just to be fun on my Halloween page. So when I write down the menu and the guests and time and what I'm going to do, I get to smile every time I look at my page. So this is me getting him all figured out, and I just do absolutely everything freehand. I'm not trying to achieve extreme perfection. I just sketch him out and then I color him in. So I'm going to use some colored pencils with this project. That's what I decided to do to fill him in. I think they're Prismacolor. I can link those down below, what I love, what I use. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. Of course, we love Ghostbusters, so who doesn't love Bill Murray in the original? Me, okay? So anyways, we'll be sure to be watching that. We've already even been watching it already because we're getting geared up. So totally fun. I'm going to show you how I draw this whole process of this guy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fast track this drawing and get him all filled in. So he looks adorable. I'm very, very happy with him. So as you can see, next I had washied in Oliver's schedule. I drew in my Snoopy. This is just some cardstock I had, and I wanted to do tan because then of course Snoopy's gonna pop on there with my colored pencil, my white colored pencil. So that's the schedule I keep for him. And so now I'm just going to get out my new washi from the October box, which is Halloweeny, and I'm going to use that tape just kind of as a border underneath my title there. And then I'm just going to kind of fill in what some, you know, headlines of what I'm going to be writing underneath it once I sit down and really contemplate and think about it. So first I'm going to fill in my ghost with a little bit of some white, a little bit of shading. All I do to shade is like I'll color on top of some of the black lines and kind of bleed it out, and that creates a little bit of some shade and depth. I'm not going to go too crazy, but yeah, I love everything about him. So for the headers, I've got like, you know, I'm going to write down my guests. So like, what are the guests going to be? And then I'm going to do like, what is going to be for the menu? And then I do believe I am also writing down some spooky ideas. So that way I know like some of the games we might do before we head out and go trick-or-treating or what we might be doing. So I will fill this in later. But at least I've got my headlines up there and my titles, so I know what to do. So on the back side of this cardstock here, it just looked rather just plain. So I wanted to draw and draw my ghost again that I did for my tip in and put him here on the back. So, and as you can see, my daughter Bella is showing me some of her reels as I draw. So, okay, Bella, back to my drawing of my ghost.
Shadows are calling, the curtain is drawn. How far we have fallen, I'm out on the run. Live in the violence, die by the sword. Deep in the fire, that's where darkness is born. Haunting my dreams, I see the signs, the darkness arise. I watch it all fall, I watch it all fall, I watch it all fall, I watch it all. We swore on our honor, and the light turned to black. We fight to the ending, there's no turning back. Live in the violence.
Okay, you guys, this is wrapping it up. I hope that you guys had just a fun time with me today, as I did with you in setting up my October. Now I am like ready to fill out the rest of my week through the weekend. I'm going to be drawing more. Whenever it hits fall, I just start drawing and painting more in my planners. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's like a cozy feel or what, but so be looking out for more of my setups each week as I plan my week. I'm going to go ahead and put everything away. I love that everything just has its place, and I know where it's at, and I can just take it with me everywhere and anywhere I go, and I have everything I need. So, and look at how much this washi holds. So, yeah, it's completely cute, and I love the tan. It's perfect. It's more brown. It's perfect for this time of year, especially. More colors are coming as well, so be looking out for that. And it's perfect. So there you have it. Has Planner Perfect even on that tag there, which is so perfect. And these are the tools I'm using. I've got Harper, I've got my spiral, I've got my charms, I've got my little ghost calendar. I'm complete, girls. I'm totally complete. Thank you for watching, and until next time.
Shadows are calling, the curtain is drawn. How far we have fallen.